Why cyber attacks are so difficult to trace back? Well, there's definitely a lot about knowledge and tools. During the super intense session, you will learn how to establish informative monitoring that can alarm you if something goes wrong in your environment. You'll be brought to the advanced level of monitoring the Windows operating system so that next time something happens in your infrastructure, you'll be able to collect data traces correctly. We'll review the signs and symptoms of your systems being attacked and demonstrate ways of detecting intrusion patterns. Don't miss this super engaging session that showcases the best practices for information extraction. You will receive ready-to-launch instructions about how to extract information from various places in the operating system and monitoring solutions. After this session, you'll be able to evaluate the infrastructure for vulnerabilities and misconfigurations and find out how to recover the evidence attackers leave behind. I'm Paula Januszkiewicz, CEO of Secure and Secure Academy. I invite you to join me at the SPAN Cybersecurity Arena on November 4th in Zagreb, Croatia. Don't miss this unique opportunity to gain the latest insights and share experiences in the field of cybersecurity.